This is the gate of Phat Ngoc Loi Pagoda. The main hall and the stupa are very tall, so I cannot fit them all into one frame. I can see a jade green statue of Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara on the left, which is also quite tall. Today the pagoda is being repaired or renovated, so I have to lower the sound because the trilling noise is very loud, everyone. I can still hear soft chanting in the background. It is a bit of pity that the pagoda is under repair this morning, so it is rather noisy and hard to feel peaceful. These stone slabs are engraved with the Buddha teachings in calligraphy, which is very meaningful. This is the brief history of Phat Ngoc Loi Pagoda. Vietnamese pagodas usually have a very long history of formation. I noticed that the courtyard is not very large, but the stupa is very tall. This is the view inside the main hall, which is spacious with a high ceiling and very airy. These are bronze statues inside the main hall and they look very solemn. The dominant color here is brown. Right now I'm standing in front of the main hall. This morning it is quite sunny, everyone. The roof here has rounded edges, which looks quite unusual. The beams and pillars are all made of brown wood. This makes the pagoda look not too new even after the renovation. The railing system is built with modern materials, but the patterns are very traditional. The wooden door system looks very beautiful and valuable. This is a wooden screen panel. The colors and patterns follow traditional designs, quite consistent and distinctive. I'm very impressed by the height of this main hall. It makes the space feel very open. This is a typical view of Phat Ngoc Loi Pagoda, with a very tall main stupa in the center and a wide Buddha statue in the middle above the main hall. I heard that this is the largest pagoda in Vĩnh Long. The architecture looks quite massive and grand. However, the courtyard is a bit small, so it is hard to see the whole structure of the pagoda. And this is the path leading to the three entrance gates of the pagoda. The free entrance gate is truly very grand, everyone.